What's up, gang? Sebastian from Overland Subaru International. I hope you're doing great. Wow, summer was super nice. Paddleboard, a lot of activities and everything. Today, it's all about Zec des Martres in Charlevoix.
Alright, gang, so as I said, we at the Zec des Martres right now, and last week we were just about arriving and starting our day to discover this beautiful place, which is the Zec des Martres. We actually looked at that beautiful beach, and today we're just going to continue again to look around and go on top of the highest mountain. So that's what we have.
So we got here, we got Frank and my parents in the Subi, the Outback. Frank and the kids with the 4Runner. And it's just amazing here. Beautiful place. Zec des Martres again. And as you can see, the trail are pretty nice. Now, it's not always like that, but according to what it is right now, it's nice. There's no pothole. So yeah, pretty good, huh? Well, rocky a bit. Man, it doesn't make justice when you film something on camera. I am vlogging. Rocky. Nice and slowly. Oh, more gas. Passe à gauche. Attends, passager, ouais. Ok, reste la même. Ça va monter. Ok, correct. C'était à clair, juste. Moi, c'est sûr que je l'aurais pogné. Bon, ça. Well, like you say, that was easy. Yeah, then that's me. My path will be here, because right now over there, that big rock, it's not gonna happen. That big rock, it's not gonna happen. So that's gonna be my path. Worst comes to worst, that's gonna scratch. But so far, my big obstacle is this rock over there. Otherwise than that, I'm good. Should be fine. Should. steep. I would say a good 30, if it's not 40. Oh yeah, that's an incline. Nice and slowly, they say. Oh man, that video doesn't make it the justice for that. Oh my goodness. We're at 794 meter, and we'll see what that's gonna be. According to Gaia, we're gonna gain 100 meter right there. So we'll see. Zec des Martres, Charlevoix. Oops, let's focus a bit. Yeah. Check the view. Unbelievable. Wow. It's just crazy. Bang. Here we have the highlight of this episode. We are at 1,000 meter above sea level. Check the view, my guy. It's just unbelievable. Drone, the wind was rushing like crazy. Wow. We got a blast. I lost almost my drone. It was too windy, but we got what we were looking for that day. It was just amazing. And finally, as we are over there, we could see what is the next endeavor for the next day. And here we have, on the top of the mountains, 1,000 meter, and free like birds. Yeah, it's just amazing. All right, guys, finally our trail today paid off. Boom! 1,000 meters right up. Almost lost the drone. There's too much wind. Lost connection. Oh my god. That was actually a little tricky because we were between two mountains and signal was weak and battery was low. I was super lucky not losing that drone. Oh my god. Check the view, guys. Unbelievable. These two trucks right there, they're meant to be there. Oh my goodness. And this is actually where maybe tomorrow we'll go. So yeah, nice. Nice. Wow. All right, guys, thank you for staying until the end of this episode. For next week, we're gonna be on this beautiful mountains, the highlight of this weekend. This is actually what we wanted to see from the beginning, and we looked at it on the map. So that's gonna conclude a beautiful weekend. Next week, it's gonna be the final episode. Like I said, hit the bell, subscribe, please share this video because we work a lot for these videos. So like I said, see you next week and take care, guys.